Now that the penny has been taken out of circulation, retailers have been struggling with what to do when a cash sale falls on a penny total. To solve for this, we've created a feature called cash rounding. You can opt into this feature by sending an email to support@insightrs.com and letting us know that you want the feature turned on. After this feature is turned on, all cash sales will round to the nearest nickel, up or down, and those pennies will get captured in your reporting. Let's take a look at how it works. So we're going to add an item to our transaction. You'll see that this demo is set up where there's cash discounting of 3.99%. So there's going to be a credit line as well. So this item goes for $3.49 cash and $3.63 credit. And then over on the right where we have the totals, you'll see the true balance of $3.49 and then the balance credit. And then you'll see the new line of balance cash, which has been rounded up to $3.50. We'll now ask the customer for $3.50 and tender it out. Now let's take a look at the receipt. Again, this demo is set up with cash discount, so it's going to have the higher dollar total of the credit card price. But still, the rounding adjustment will apply to any setup that you have. You'll see a line for rounding adjustment here and the amount that they actually paid. If we head on over to the sales ledger, we'll see the new cash rounding line. That's going to be plus or minus for the whole day once you've done all your transactions. This line will be necessary to allow the report to balance with your cash sales. And that's it. It's that simple. Thanks for watching this video walkthrough. For more information, email support@insightrs.com or visit us at insightrs.com.